Natural remedies to stretch marks. Effective ways to restore skin elasticity. Naturally, stretch marks, medically known as striae distensae, are common skin imperfections that occur when the skin stretches or shrinks rapidly, causing the collagen and elastin fibers to rupture. Stretch marks are a common concern, and for many, they can feel like an unwanted reminder of changes in our bodies. 0.5s. Whether they're caused by pregnancy, weight fluctuations, or rapid growth during adolescence, these marks, known as striae, are a natural part of life. Yet, it's no secret that many of us want to minimize their appearance. If you've been searching for ways to reduce stretch marks and improve your skin's elasticity, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the best natural remedies that are safe, affordable, and proven to work with consistency and care. Several natural remedies have been explored to minimize the appearance of stretch marks. While results can vary based on individual skin types and the age of the stretch marks. This is Health 360, your one-stop YouTube channel for reliable health tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notice bell so you can be the first to see our next video. Also comment and ask questions or request for other topics you would like us to explain in future videos. Let's start by understanding what stretch marks are. They occur when the skin is stretched too quickly, causing the collagen and elastin fibers to break. Initially, these marks appear red or purple but gradually fade to silvery white lines. Although they rarely disappear completely, the good news is that there are plenty of ways to reduce their visibility and improve the overall texture of your skin. Stretch marks commonly show up on the abdomen, thighs, hips, breasts, and arms. And while anyone can get them, they're often linked to specific causes, like pregnancy, weight gain or loss, puberty, or even prolonged use of corticosteroids, which can reduce skin elasticity. Now, let's get into the remedies. The first natural powerhouse for stretch marks is aloe vera. This healing plant has been used for centuries to treat skin concerns. Aloe vera gel is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that repair damaged skin and boost hydration. To use it, simply extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf and massage it directly onto your stretch marks. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Make this a part of your daily routine, and you'll notice smoother, more supple skin over time. Next up is coconut oil, a must-have for deep moisturization. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the skin deeply, improving hydration and elasticity. It also has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce redness and irritation around stretch marks. Warm a small amount of coconut oil in your hands and massage it into the affected areas twice a day, morning and night. This regular routine can make a noticeable difference in reducing the appearance of those marks. If you're looking for an intense skin nourishing solution, consider using shea butter or cocoa butter. These butters are incredibly moisturizing and known to promote collagen production. Melt a small amount and massage it into your skin until it's fully absorbed. For an added boost, mix in a few drops of vitamin E oil. This combination not only softens the skin but also helps repair the underlying damage that leads to stretch marks. Now, let's talk about exfoliation. A lemon juice and sugar scrub is an excellent natural exfoliant that promotes new skin growth. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which brightens the skin, while sugar acts as a gentle exfoliator. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a few drops of coconut oil. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week to gently slough off dead skin cells and improve skin tone and texture. Another powerful natural remedy is rosehip oil. Packed with vitamins A and C, Rosehip oil encourages skin regeneration and boosts collagen production. It's best applied at night, as part of your evening skincare routine. A few drops go a long way. Massage them into your skin until fully absorbed. Over time, you'll see your skin become smoother and stretch marks less visible. For those who prefer lighter, more straightforward remedies, potato juice is an excellent option. It might sound surprising, but potatoes are rich in vitamins and minerals that promote skin cell renewal. Simply slice a raw potato and rub it over your stretch marks, letting the juice sit on your skin for about 15 minutes before rinsing. It's a simple, cost-effective remedy that you can do daily. Another unexpected but effective remedy is egg whites. High in amino acids and proteins, egg whites can tighten and tone the skin. Whisk 2 egg whites until frothy, then apply a thick layer to your stretch marks. Allow it to dry completely before rinsing with cold water. Repeat this every other day, and you'll start to see a difference in skin texture and firmness. Beyond topical treatments, don't underestimate the power of hydration and a healthy diet. Drinking enough water keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out, improving its elasticity. Combine this with a diet rich in vitamin C, zinc, and healthy fats. Foods like oranges, avocados, nuts, and seeds can nourish your skin and support its natural repair processes. Consistency is the key to any skincare routine, especially when it comes to natural remedies. While these methods won't make your stretch marks vanish overnight, regular application can significantly reduce their appearance over time. Pair these remedies with good habits, like using sunscreen to protect your skin from UV rays, which can darken stretch marks and make them more noticeable. For those dealing with more severe stretch marks, professional options like laser therapy or microneedling are worth exploring. A dermatologist can recommend advanced treatments tailored to your skin's needs. But for mild to moderate cases, these natural remedies offer a safe and effective alternative. Stretch marks are a part of life and tell a story about the changes your body has been through. While it's completely okay to embrace them, there's also nothing wrong with wanting to feel more confident in your skin. With patience, consistency, and the help of these natural remedies, you can take steps toward healthier, more radiant skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on natural skincare and healthy living. Let us know in the comments which remedy you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.